Introducing PhotoShelter Creative Cloud Connector. Unlock seamless integration between your PhotoShelter image galleries and Adobe Creative apps such as InDesign, Photoshop, and Illustrator. With PhotoShelter Creative Cloud Connector, the process is effortless. Launch the Connector plugin, navigate through your assets, drag and drop directly into your document. What sets Connector apart is its innovative link-based URL framework, an invaluable asset for large teams collaborating on multiple InDesign documents. Instant notifications keep users informed of any modifications or changes to assets, allowing for prompt updates when convenient. Moreover, enjoy the flexibility to update non-URL-based links as well. Explore additional features, including the ability to toggle between high and low resolution settings for optimal performance, as well as tailor your experience further by adjusting view options to suit your preferences seamlessly. When packaging your InDesign file, you can choose to include the links in the package or preserve the URL links to PhotoShelter. The second option is valuable when sharing the InDesign file with someone who has access to your PhotoShelter environment.